Laser therapy for gums, future of dentistry or fancy fiction. Dentistry, in terms of treatment options and procedures, has a promising future with new equipment, technologies, and advancements. In terms of precision, it is right on point in recording, diagnosing, and treating to achieve an effective outcome in treatment. The spectacular introduction of laser in dentistry has brought a massive change in the treatment outcome, with a raise in success rate. Laser treatment for gum conditions is not just a pleasant experience, but it also ensures comfortable recovery without much hustle to chew food or perform routine work. Laser also provides a long-lasting and predictable outcome without any considerable complications. Soon, traditional surgeries will be replaced with laser gum treatment. Since it appears fancy during treatment and magically resolves the issues, it is definitely going to be the future of dentistry.